What's the meaning of counterfeit? Counterfeit. Counterfeit.
Counterfeit. Counterfeit. Counterfeit refers to a fake or imitation item that is made to look like the original. This could include currency, designer goods, electronics, and other products. Counterfeit items are often created with the intention of deceiving buyers into thinking they are purchasing genuine goods. However, since these items are not made to the same standards as the originals, they may not perform as well or last as long. Additionally, buying or selling counterfeit items is illegal and can result in fines or even imprisonment.